Hey guys, Dan with the Crayon Brotherhood, and we're at Bourbon on the Buffalo. Everybody got here last night. We'll do a walk around so y'all can see. Whole lot of folks showed up. It was a good little turnout. We are getting stuff ready for some of the games. We're going to do I don't know if you can see it back there somewhere, a axe throwing and cornhole competition. So they're going to give a first aid class too, kind of ironic. And I think there's going to be a mixologist class too. So it's going to be a good time. We had a pretty good night last night. I called it quits kind of early, around 10:30 or so. And went up there and went ahead and went to bed, and got up kind of early this morning. Cooked me some breakfast. I didn't eat breakfast yesterday, so wasn't gonna miss it today. Couldn't pass up some bacon. Anyway, we're gonna walk around and just hang out and talk to folks, cut some jokes, maybe some shenanigans. We'll just see how it goes. Oh, and y'all let me know. I am using this Osmo Pocket 3 little camera. See what y'all think about it. See if y'all like it. If it's better than a big camera, because it is far better to carry than my big camera. So yeah.
Sunlight, dearest sunlight, I am calling you across the old room. Sunlight, dearest sunlight, I would like to come out of the womb. Something in me feels like all of me, and we dance all alone. Come on in, open my heart to this world. Open my heart to this world. Sunlight, dearest sunlight, I am calling you across the old room. Sunlight, dearest sunlight.
Everybody goes through, and we got a pile on the left that moves forward. We're going to go to the next day. You have to keep.
All right. So this is for the More Expo ticket.
Yes.
Right.
This is for the More Expo ticket.
More Expo ticket.
All right. Move to the other side. I still got 4. Still got 4. You got 2. All right, sir. Thank you for playing. Fantastic. Oh, close. And you can step up to the line, just don't cross the line. Fantastic. Step to the right. Oh, fantastic. Move to the right, sir. Congratulations. Feel free to tip your instructor. Fantastic. Fantastic. Move to the right, ma'am. Close. Try not to bend your arm. If you wouldn't have bent your arm, that would have stuck. There you go. Step to the right. Thank you very much. Oh, almost. Fantastic. Step to the right. Where were you looking?
Mid, honestly.
You need to be looking
Top of the
2 foot above the target.
2 foot. Got it.
Concentrate 2 foot above the target.
That ain't it.
All right, all right. Arch. There you go. That's it right there. All about the arch. Oh, very, very, very close. You hit on the butt side.
Yeah.
You really need to focus way above the target. There you go. Whoa. Yeah, chicken dinner, yes! Yeah, that's what I'm talking about. Yeah! Absolutely. That's it.
And for all I know, that'll make me go viral. Who knows?
Congratulations,
Thanks,
you're
sir.
our first place.
Appreciate it.
We appreciate you playing in the axe throwing.
Thank you, appreciate it. I already have more tickets, so I'm gonna donate my win to second place Brad. So,
You have been donated the ticket to More Expo for your second place win in axe throwing.
thank you.
Congratulations.
Thank you.
Fantastic job.
Thank you, sir.
Appreciate it very much.
The VIP.
People that win everything.
The luckiest people
So-
in this part of the state.
What did you win?
I want me some more expo tickets.
Nice.
Nice.
What'd you win?
I want a Jeep.
A Jeep. You mean this Jeep right here?
This exact one. Yep.
This is the Jasper Jeep Jam Jeep, isn't it?
It sure is.
For those that think you enter in these things and nobody actually ever wins them, this is proof.
Yes, I did.
And if
She
you
did.
want to see more of it, remember, you got to like and subscribe.
Yeah, there. I did a whole walk around on this thing. If you want to see it, you got to hit that like and subscribe. Another YouTuber.
That's right. What's up? Well, I lost. I didn't get a ticket.
Well, the cornhole event's still going to go.
I've never thrown one of those cornholes a day in my life.
Well, there's a ticket up for it.
I know.
Risk it for the biscuit. It's
That's
one
right.
on one.
That's right. I might try.
Never know.
That's right.
So, the axe throwing was eventful. I put my GoPro up there on the top on that bolt, and sure enough, it got whacked. It'll be in the footage either before or after this. But matter of fact, it was old Moore winner over there, Brad, that hit it with that one over there. Hit it with the axe. And we got Stefan over here.
Hey, man. How's it going?
Good. Just walking around and annoying the fire out of folks.
Hey, that's what we do.
Yep. What you think about it so far?
Man, it's been perfect. The weather's been good. Had a pretty good turnout, really. I mean,
No
we've had-
kidding.
Yeah, I mean, I was surprised with it. I mean, we've had a few cancellations, but I mean, for the most part,
And some of our normal folks couldn't make it. You know, Brad,
Right.
his wife, Craig. Who else we missing? Stephen already left, or Stefan left.
yes, Stephen with the PH.
Yeah, Stephen with the
Yeah, he left. But yeah, we've had a good turnout. Some new folks
new folks.
come in, and the weather's been good every day.
Oh yeah,
And
yeah.
I've been out
It's
here.
been nice, warm during the day and cool at night.
Yeah. But yeah, when we did, what was it, 4.5 hours yesterday trail ride and seen some waterfalls. The water was flowing real good.
Y'all went 2 hours today though?
And then we did a little short one so we could come back
Yeah.
and play games and everybody could get ready for the potluck and the band.
Heck
But
yeah.
It's been
Oh yeah,
great.
I forgot we got a band getting set
Yeah,
up.
they're getting set up and getting ready. The
Yeah.
what did they say it was? Thrifty
Don't give me the line.
something.
Thrifty Nickel. I don't know.
I don't remember the full name, but it'll be cool.
What y'all think about it?
Oh, we've been loving it so far.
This whole situation, I love it.
You were at Frosty, wasn't you?
Frosty
Okay.
was my first event.
Okay. Yeah.
David, and
Dan.
this is my wife, Whitney.
How you doing?
Hey, good. How are you?
Good.
This is her first event. With
Oh,
us.
nice.
This is my kind of vibe, though.
It's a good time.
I'm an introvert, so as you can see, I keep to myself for a while.
Yeah.
But I like these kinds of events because everyone's just kind of spread out, enjoying their time.
Oh yeah. I mean, it's kind of however you make your trip. I mean, it's like, people leave you alone, let you do your own thing, or come over here and put a camera in your face and
Over here?
Yeah.
bug the fire out of you.
No, I understand it.
All right, let's see. I need a volunteer to draw tickets. Who would volunteer to draw tickets for me? How about you, young lady? You want to come up and draw some tickets? That's fantastic. So we're just going to shake up our little hat and just pull one ticket out of there if you can.
If you win the ticket, get with me after, and I'll give you the code for it. And
Chris Rexwinkle.
not
Chris
again. He won the last one.
Rexwinkle. You won a ticket, another ticket actually, to More Expo. If you don't want it, we will pass it forward. Thank you very much, Rex. Super good sport. Draw us another ticket. Not Rex. What is it, Newsom? Newsom. Yeah, Don Newsom.
Whoa!
Don Newsom. Where's he at? Where's he at?
He's back there by his truck.
I'm going through changes. I'm turning the pages of my life. I don't know what the age is. I start sounding outrageous in your eyes. Is it the passing of the seasons, passing of the time, looking for a reason, and what you left behind, searching
So it's been a fantastic day out here. We've had a lot of fun. Oh, you can see the handle of this thing. I got a new gimbal and trying to get used to it, but keep you out of my face at the same time. So a lot of people were talking about, it's too close to your face, like right here. And I'm like, yeah, no kidding. So I got a new gimbal. All right, so like I was saying, it's been a fantastic day. We've had a lot of fun between cornhole and the axe throw. Dang, I got you back in my face again. Between the cornhole and the axe throw, and it's been a wonderful time. We've had a lot of fun. Did a little bit of a giveaway, a few things. We more tickets got given away. It's been a lot of fun. So yeah, if y'all see these events on the Overland 870 page, get in there and say you want to go. We'll get you the information. Come on out. It's a lot of fun. We have a good time. Everybody, you can go sit up there by the concert or hang out at your tent and just relax. Whatever you want to do. So just remember that. But I'm going to cut it off here, guys. I'm going to sit around and hang out with some friends and BS, have a drink. This is Bourbon on the Buffalo. I'm going to smoke a cigar and just have a good time. So until next time, guys, simplify and God bless.